mklink not installed on Windows 7. I just installed Windows 7 Pro, and I'm configuring it to my preferences. I go to set up a symbolic link, since it supports symlinks. But I don't seem to have the mklink program in c:\windows/system32. In administrator mode in PowerShell.
mklink is not a standalone tool, it is a built-in command in the cmd.exe interpreter. The only way to run it externally is through cmd/c, similar to shc on Linux. However, PowerShell itself supports creating various link types using the new item mklink, although it is not a full replacement, as it does not support creating relative symlinks.
The solution is that mklink is a built-in on cmd.exe. PowerShell therefore cannot directly access it. Negative kudos to whoever thought that one up.
PowerShell is not a complete replacement for CMD. Many CMD functions do not work in PS. Switch to CMD to run mklink.
If you want to support the channel,